Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will let you know how to tint car windows. Prep the inside of the window with soapy water and a squeegee. You are going to go through a lot of soapy water in this process. You can use a hard edge to get in between the seal and the window for a better clean. When done, spray the whole window with soapy water. Peel off half of the released linear from the tinting film. Window tint works just like a sticker. There is a removable layer that adheres to the tint and keeps the adhesive solid. You should, however, only peel off the top half for now. It makes it easier to work with. Spray off the now exposed section with fresh water. You are now ready to adhere the tint to the window. Line up and adhere the top of the tint to the window. The water makes the tint easy to slide around, so you can get the edge of the window perfectly lined up with the top edge of the tint. Your window should still be slightly down. Slightly fold the tint to work it underneath the seal. Once the top edge is on the window, sneak the two sides into the seals to the right and left, using your fingers to get them thoroughly flush. With one hand, pull back the seal around the window, then use the other hand to push the film under the seal and onto the window. Spray down the window again, then use your hard edge to push the water out the edges. Using your squeegee or hard edge, slightly work the water out by pushing the water to the sides. Push the water out the top and sides, but don't push towards the bottom, where you have the rest of your linear waiting to be adhered. Roll the window up and spray the bottom half of the window with soapy water. Don't skim on the soapy water, it is essential to prevent the tint from sticking. Pull off the remaining released layer, then spray the exposed tint with water. Make sure both the window and the tint are wet. Use your fingers and hard edge to tuck the bottom to the tint into the bottom seal. Spray off the tint with soapy water again. This is tricky, but be sure easy with a hard edge. Pull back the seal with your fingers, then use the hard edge to push the film down and onto the window. Smooth out the window with your hard edge, pushing all the water and air bubbles toward the edges. Work downward and outward whenever possible, spraying the tint with more soapy water to make sure you don't rip the linear. Keep squeezing the water out of the tinting so that it is smooth as if it was just a part of the window. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.